Raw materials are loaded into the feed hopper, with a pulse dust collector removing airborne dust particles. The raw materials are lifted to a higher place by a bucket elevator. It falls onto the drum pre-cleaner and the magnet separator. The raw materials enter the drum pre-cleaner. It removes the large impurities from the raw materials. The raw materials, free of large impurities, enter the magnet separator. The iron impurities in the raw materials are removed through the magnet separator. The raw materials with impurities removed fall into the bucket elevator. It is conveyed to the crushing bin through the bucket elevator. Then it goes to the hammer mill for crushing treatment. The impeller feeder conveys the raw materials into the hammer mill. The feeding speed can be controlled by adjusting the rotational speed of the motor. The hammer mill crushes the raw materials into uniform powder. Users can control crushing size by replacing sieve mesh. The pulse dust collector removes the dust adhering to the filter bags by jetting compressed air. This can increase the output of the hammer mill. The crushed raw materials are conveyed to the bucket elevator through a screw conveyor. Then the crushed raw materials and powdered raw materials enter the batching bin through the bucket elevators. The computer PLC controls the batching scale to weigh and proportion the ingredients. The proportioned raw materials enter the bin to be mixed through the scraper conveyor and the bucket elevator. Materials in the waiting batching bin are fed into the mixer for mixing. Various raw materials are evenly mixed in the double shaft paddle mixer machine. The mixed raw materials are conveyed to the bucket elevator by a scraper conveyor. Then the materials in the bucket elevator are conveyed to the packaging bin by another scraper conveyor. Users who have a demand for large bag finished products can choose to use a ton bag scale. The packaging machine is suitable for small bag packaging. It can conduct quantitative weighing and automatic sealing.